Guys, it's November. You already know what time it is.
It's Caroline.
Ain't see you around here in a while.
I walk these streets in November. It hits different than it did in September. Maybe it's because I've changed. Oh, you were my good day.
Good morning vlog. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning. The sun is up. It's 8 a.m. We've officially hit daylight savings time. I think that was like 3 days ago. And the change in weather has just been absolutely perfect. I love the last 2 seasons of the year, and now that we're here, all feels well. We've got a couple hours before I start getting ready for the day. I like to do my morning walks just so that I can get it out of the way, make sure that this little one gets out of the house. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys my routine of just how I get ready for class in general. When I was a senior in high school, I wish that I saw videos like this on the internet, just kind of talking about college students' routines and whatnot. And so, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys mine today. So this is Puppy Island. If you guys live in Boise, you need to come to this puppy park. It's huge, it's all gated around, and Matcha just has the best time. Hi buddy, hello, come on. Part of getting ready for a full day of classes or just university in general is getting my head in the right space. So that's why I love spending time out, getting vitamin D, and whenever there is sunny days on these cold transition to winter season, I always try to take advantage of getting outside instead of just being on my phone first thing in the morning. I feel like that is probably the worst thing that you can do. Matcha's climbing up a little hill right now. I'm gonna sit here and listen to my November playlist on Spotify. I usually let Matcha run around for like 10 minutes, play with the other dogs, and then we finish the walk, wrap it up, and then go home. And I will show you guys my routine. Walk is all done. You know when you go on a walk and you start off really cold, so you layer up like crazy, and then once you've done like 3 miles, you're just dripping in sweat. That is me right now, especially with my favorite Aritzia jacket. If y'all have never heard of the Super Puff, I'm about to put you on. This is something that you should definitely add to your Christmas wish list this year. I don't know if Aritzia does Black Friday sales or whatnot, but genuinely, this keeps me warm through the craziest winters here in Idaho, and we get some crazy winters. Whenever I go on my walks, that's probably one of my favorite parts, is just talking to all of the people that are on the trails and just on the greenbelt. The last lady that I talked to, I actually ran into her when I was walking to my car. She was older, and I think she was just like feeding the ducks or something, so she had like a little satchel full of food. And we were just talking for a bit, and she was like, it's such a beautiful day. I don't know why more people aren't outside. And honestly, yeah, I mean, it feels amazing. I love this cool, crisp weather. I'm so here for it. I need to take this off. I'm sweating so bad right now. I already had breakfast today. I had 6 pancakes. I was starving, and I smothered Trader Joe's pumpkin butter on it. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna have to go to the store and stock up. They're gonna be all out of that. I also had my morning coffee, which was delicious. I think I've perfected my iced brown sugar shaken espresso. This is so Caroline coded, but I always have to have a candle going anytime I get ready. Like, I want it to smell fabulous in the entire house. So I have this candle. I actually made this in my hometown, Dripping Springs, Texas last year. I customized a soy wax candle that has a wood wick. By the way, wood wicks are a game changer. The top note is black sea and middle note is vanilla, and then the base is lavender. It's my dream candle in one. We're gonna let this smell up the whole house. Now we're gonna go downstairs. There's 3 levels in my house, so on the bottom floor is where I have my makeup room and then also my music room. I haven't showed y'all this on my channel, but I did film it on my Instagram and my TikTok. Basically, I could have 2 roommates if I wanted, because there's 2 extra bedrooms. One of them I converted into a guest bedroom, and the other one just had like my office desk in it. So the other day I had this sudden urge to just make it like a filming room. Oh my gosh, we've got a crazy on our hands. What's going on? What are you doing? What are you doing? So this is how it turned out. I moved my piano in here from out in the hallway. Then I found these 2 little wall pieces from World Market. The inspiration actually came from this painting that I initially got when I first moved in, but I thought the can of sardines fit into it. I can't wait to film videos here of me singing. And then I just love how this little vanity area turned out. YouTube play buttons are hung up. I've got a little space if I want to do homework here. Another spot as well if I want to study. And then this is where I do my makeup. We're sitting down, we're gonna get straight into makeup. I feel like I should also do a time check. Right now it's 11. I don't have my first class until 1:30, but I usually like to leave my house no later than 12:45. I already applied a little bit of this product on my face before my walk, but I'm gonna be going in with the Tatcha Silk Sunscreen with SPF 50. I love this product. I'm also a huge fan of the Super Goop Glow Sunscreen. Tatcha is a Japanese brand, and I feel like for the winter times, this is just the sunscreen that I personally like, and it has a higher SPF. And people forget that even though it's not summertime, the UV can still be high. The sun may not look like it's out, but above the clouds it is. In my class routine, I don't really use foundation just because that's kind of a little bit heavier. So what I do use is concealer, and this kind of acts as the foundation in my opinion. And then I go in with this brush from MAC and I just pat and circle it out. I had my first interview for an internship. It was a video interview. I was so nervous for it. I'm not gonna say the company yet, but if I do get it, I would possibly be living somewhere else. I'm curious to see if y'all can guess the brand. For these interviews, you have to answer a series of questions, and some of them can really make you think and kind of just like throw you off guard. But I think it's very necessary that employers do ask questions like that, because being asked what is your weakness is like, oh gosh, what is my weakness? When you actually vocalize what your weakness is, sometimes it can be used in a positive way in areas of growth. Adulting is scary, but it is so thrilling. I just feel very grateful to live in a country where I have the opportunity to pursue my dreams, and the sky is the limit. And being an entrepreneurial major in college gives me so much hope, because I would love to have my own business one day, and of course hopefully inspire other people to maybe do that as well. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer, and I just like a little bit of warmth in my face. Creating music for the Christmas time just brings me so much serotonin and joy. Get ready, you're gonna have another Christmas bop this year, and it's also something that I can use in my videos if I decide to do Vlogmas. Still deciding whether or not I want to. It's definitely a big commitment. And then other exciting news, I'm gonna be going home for the holidays this year, which I can't wait. It's been a year since I've been home. I can't wait to be with my family. We're gonna set the face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I feel like I'm betraying my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, but she will always be my favorite at heart. I just really wanted to try this one from Kosas. Totally different look. This is in like a purple tube. One end has a spoolie, which I love because I can just comb out my brows and shape them to my liking. And then the other end has the fine tip. And this one is a lot thinner than the Goof Proof one, which I'm excited about. For this like front part of my brows, it's kind of sparse. And so when I fill it in, I want it to have like that feathery look. But sometimes when the brow pencil is too thick, I can't really achieve that. I'm gonna go in and fill my brows, and I will show you guys what they look like when I'm done. Brows done. After being a makeup connoisseur since middle school, this is what I've gathered. Big palettes are cool and all. I really like this big one here from Too Faced. Don't get me wrong, it's great, it's fabulous, but there's a lot of shades in that palette that I will never use because it doesn't complement my skin tone. So rather than investing in a palette that has a bunch of shades that you probably would not wear, personally, I would recommend investing in a smaller amount of shades that you would actually wear. That way no product goes to waste. So I genuinely think both of these colors are gorgeous. Lightly fluffing from the end of my eye to about halfway. And if you don't have an eyeshadow, you can also use a bronzer. I just think any brown really looks good and opens up the eye a little bit. So that's part one of the eye combo. Part two is eyeliner. If eyeliner scares you, don't be scared. I'm gonna teach you guys the easiest way to do your liner. So this is my liquid liner. This is the Kat Von D waterproof liquid eyeliner. So where my eye is right now, all I do is just extend from what my natural eye shape is. For the other side, just like that. Find your halfway mark on your eye, and you're gonna brush it until you meet that stroke on the side. Does anybody else have straight Asian lashes, or is it just me? It's not the worst thing in the world, but it is kind of frustrating because my lashes are naturally very long, but they don't look long from the front because they just go straight out. But from the side, you can tell that they're very long. I'm in my anti-lipstick era right now just because my lips are dry as heck. I do still use lip liner, I'm not gonna lie. I love this Korean brand, Para. I think that's how you say it. This is in the shade chocolate brown. I'm gonna go ahead and line the outside of my lips. Can you imagine if I just left it like this? Terrifying. I'm gonna start on the edges and just pull down towards the center. This kind of helps blend it out a little bit. And now that the lines are softened, we've got the perfect base to add the Mario Badescu lip mask. This is the smoothest, silkiest, I think it's the best chapstick I've ever used. Whenever I get facials done and they put stuff on my lips at the very end, I always rub my lips together and I'm like, oh my gosh, what is that? Pretty sure it's this product. Just putting a little bit and it smells like acai and vanilla, so I'm not complaining. That's my makeup routine for school. We're gonna go upstairs, pick out an outfit, and then do hair. Outfits today. It's cold today. Actually, let's check the weather. Ooh, 39 degrees. Wow. High is 45, low is 23. It is sunny all day though, so that should be noted. Kind of feeling a sweater today. Maybe like a sweater jean combo. Let's see what we can work with. Jeans are gonna be these from American Eagle. I think these are the Dreamy Drape or the Puddle jeans. I really, really love these ones. Okay, so we'll wear these and then... This is one of my staple sweaters that I always somehow forget that I have. Off the shoulders get me every time. I actually wore this exact sweater on my first date with my boyfriend when I got off the boat of semester at sea. So the sweater will always have a special place in my heart. I don't think I could ever part ways with it. So we're gonna wear it with these jeans. My outfit determines what I want to do with my hair, so that's why I choose my outfit first. For anybody wondering. This outfit never fails. This is the completed look. Looks like this. Let me close. I could leave my hair down like this and just straight, but I kind of want to do my 25-minute quick little curling iron action. I think we're gonna do that. All my curling products I keep under here. It's so disorganized. This is embarrassing. This curling iron is 30 bucks. It's from the brand Heritage by Mindy McKnight, and you can pick one up at Walmart. I have very fine Asian hair. I've got a whole lot of it on my head as well. Usually whenever I use like a 1-inch barrel, curling my hair takes like an hour, as crazy as it is. For the days where I want to go full out in my curls, I'll section my hair, take half, put it up, and do that whole routine. But for this one, because the barrel size of this is 1 1/4, I just grab random pieces from my hair and start curling. And I'll show you guys how I do that. I'm gonna put some heat protectant on my hair. I'm going in with the Redken Acidic Color Gloss Heat Protectant Treatment. And then I'm gonna brush it out just to make sure that I get all of that heat protectant distributed equally. Guys, it's November. You already know what time it is.
It's Caroline.
Ain't see you around here in a while.
I walked these streets in November. It hit different than it did in September. Maybe it's because I've changed. Oh, you were my good days. Had some time to think in October. Let's hope I'm over you by December. You really took a toll on me, but you're right, I wasn't meant to be. I'm dancing while I'm crying. These tears weren't made to be wept in silence. I'm finally loving who I am. Something you failed to understand. I should have listened to my instincts. I fell too deep now. Look at me, you should have played with a girl's heart. I'm pretty hurt, but I won't take it. Oh, you were my good days. Oh, you were my good. You broke my heart in September. Yeah. Let's hope I'm over you by December. Oh.
I feel like while we're here, we might as well plug my latest song. This one came out in September.
Maybe that's why it was hard for me to feel what I felt is cool. Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I'm not gonna say I'm sorry, I made my peace, and it hurt like hell. But I had to fall out of love with you to fall in love with myself. You're all I think of it now, hearing your voice on loop, the things you do, yeah, it drives me wild. Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle. You look good on the outside, then I take my first bite. What I get myself into. You look so sweet, but boy it fooled me. I guess I got another sour strawberry.
Sometimes I forget that I have music out on the internet. Is it too early for Christmas music? I don't know.
I'll sing all the season. Two needs a tradition. And eating without the wings, someone hovering over me. Movie marathon for one.
strand of hair and then I'm all done. The hairspray that I'm going in with is the Chi Magnified Volume Extra Firm Finishing Spray. That just created so much volume. This helps to separate the curls and not make them look super tight. Last thing that I add is this beautiful elixir gloss on top. And this product genuinely is magical. I put it halfway from my head all the way down to the ends. Hair is all done. It's 12:15 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put some jewelry on, go upstairs, make a quick lunch, and then we are out of here on our way to class. All of my jewelry is over here. I've got a little dish full of rings that I wear. I've got this little stand from Home Goods, and then I have a clear jewelry box. Always the hardest part. I never know what I want to wear. I have these really cute bow earrings that I think could spice up the outfit, honestly. I also have hoops, and I do love wearing my hoops. I think we're gonna go with the bow earrings today. Exciting news, actually. I got invited to a formal here. The theme is Gossip Girl, so I'm gonna figure out what dress I wanna wear. I love getting glammed up. I think being a girl is so much fun. You can wear makeup, jewelry. Today's perfume is gonna be the Viktor and Ralph Flower Bomb, and it smells so luxurious. I would put this on your Christmas list if I were you. Cannot forget to blow out the candle. I think I've mentioned this before, but this is my school laptop. This is the Microsoft Surface. Love it for everything academic-wise. For YouTube, editing, everything else regarding work, I use my Mac. And the reason why is because the Mac is just really finicky with Excel putting in commands on my keyboard for my business statistics class. So that's why I definitely prefer my Microsoft. I also have gotten a ton of questions on my school bag and where it's from. I remember walking into Brandy Melville the week before school started. I saw this and I was like, yep, that's gonna be my book bag. And it's perfect because it just fits my laptop and everything else that I need. I'm gonna go grab my stuff real quick. All right, so I've got my Erin Condren academic planner, best planner in the whole entire world. And then my Surface. I'm just gonna stick that in here. I also have my pencil. Oh, there's my pencil bag. It's very rare that we do assignments on paper in college. I do have a paper planner because I love writing things and just kind of keeping that old-fashioned sense. But everything's shifted online, textbook-wise, quizzes, tests, homework, assignments. And so while it's not my favorite thing in the world, I guess it's nice. I mean, we're saving the environment, not using as much paper, but I have a pencil bag, and sometimes if we have to do a writing assignment, I like to be prepared. I also keep my favorite lip balm and hand cream in here. I'll just show you guys that really quick since I'm gonna end the video soon. Favorite hand cream is the L'Occitane. Is that how you say it? I don't know how to say it. Clearly, I love this. It's almost out. And then same thing with this. It's on its last leg, but this is the Summer Fridays Sweet Mint Lip Balm, and it is the best. So I keep those in here. I keep extra ponytail. I also keep my EpiPen in here because you never know. And then of course some gum. This is the current gum that I have. I love Mentos. And that is what is in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little different than my usual content. It's what I was wanting to film, and I feel like being authentic means posting organic content and not just curated stuff that you feel like meets a trend. So yeah, anything that I mentioned that you were like, oh, I really want to try that out, I'll link it down below for you guys. But other than that, I'm gonna head off to class. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.